Just imagine a powerful laser beam capable of melting the wing of an aircraft flying 400 kilometers away in just minutes. Or an invisible electric fence set up along a nation's border, which could instantly vaporize any intruder who touched it. Until now, you may have only seen such things in cartoons or science fiction movies. But the reality is, these inventions were created long ago. And the mastermind behind them was none other than Nikola Tesla. Tesla had built a device that possessed both of these terrifying powers, a device he called the death ray. And that wasn't all. He had also created a machine capable of triggering earthquakes, small enough to fit inside his pocket. Once, while walking across New York's famous Brooklyn Bridge, Tesla turned on this device. The bridge began to shake violently and nearly collapsed. That alone gives you an idea of how powerful this invention really was. But how and why were these devices created? Let's go back to the beginning of the story. From a very young age, Nikola Tesla was different. He had a passion for science and a mind full of curiosity. While other children played games, Tesla devoured science books and logic tables. His parents didn't quite approve of his unusual interests. His father, a priest, wanted Tesla to follow in his footsteps. Having already lost one son, he couldn't bear the thought of losing another. Soon after completing school, Tesla was called back home. But as he arrived, he was struck by a severe illness. His condition was so critical that death felt near. And yet, even in that fragile state, he had only one wish: to become an engineer. Seeing his son on the verge of death, his father finally gave in and allowed him to pursue engineering. Remarkably, Tesla recovered within weeks and enrolled in the Polytechnic Institute of Austria to study electrical engineering. After completing his education, Tesla approached Thomas Edison with his ideas about alternating current AC. But Edison rejected the idea outright and asked him to work on direct current instead. Tesla already knew the limitations of DC and didn't want to invest his energy in it. So, he left Edison's company and established his own, the Tesla Electric Company. It was through this company that Tesla introduced the world to alternating current, earning him the title Father of Alternating Current. Tesla had achieved success, but inside he remained deeply affected by past trauma, especially the memories of his late brother. He gradually distanced himself from people and withdrew into his work. According to research, nearly 14% of people go through this kind of emotional spiral, known as the grief coaster. Tesla was one of them. Eventually, though, he rose above his grief and immersed himself back into his inventions. During this time, a new idea sparked in his mind: the thought camera, a device that could display our thoughts on a screen. Tesla's imagination was so sharp that he could visualize entire inventions in his mind before putting them on paper. He believed that thoughts created visual impressions on the retina, which could be captured and decoded using a specialized device. Technology at the time wasn't advanced enough to make it real, but even today scientists are conducting research in that very direction, slowly turning Tesla's vision into reality. Tesla also began working on another groundbreaking invention: a way to transfer electricity without wires. He built a steam-powered oscillator to generate electricity. But when he activated it, the entire building began to shake, as if an earthquake had struck. In truth, the oscillator's frequency had matched the building's natural frequency, amplifying vibrations to dangerous levels. Alarmed, Tesla turned the device off. But he later used this principle to create two more inventions, one for geophysical research and another for defense technology, capable of disrupting enemy transport systems through vibration alone. Tesla witnessed both world wars and saw millions perish. He made up his mind to create something that would prevent wars in the future. So, he built two incredibly powerful devices. The first was an artificial tidal wave generator, capable of creating waves so massive that they could sink entire fleets of ships. The second was the infamous death ray, which could destroy any object from 400 kilometers away. He also designed an invisible electric fence, which would instantly turn any intruder into ash upon contact. However, when Tesla approached the US and Russian governments with his inventions, they dismissed him without testing any of them. Tesla's response was simple: period. What people consider impossible, I have already created. The world waited for the day Tesla would unveil these devices to the public. But before that moment could come, he passed away, alone and ailing, in a New York hotel room, taking his secrets with him. And that secret was buried with him forever. The most shocking part? Tesla held more than 300 patents to his name. Yet in the final days of his life, he didn't even have enough money to pay his hotel bill. Later, it was discovered that many of his inventions had been stolen and registered under other scientists' and businessmen's names.